Hi everyone, and welcome to the DY family. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a very popular soup recipe for the winter season and the cold season. We are going to be making homemade chicken noodle soup. Now these are all the ingredients that you need for this recipe. You need some diced onion, some chopped celery, some chopped carrots, some egg noodles. Now I have these home style frozen egg noodles. You can use any egg noodles that you want. These ones just make this chicken noodle soup 10 times better. And sometimes I even make my own homemade noodles, but I highly recommend using these frozen egg noodles for the chicken noodle soup. It just makes it 10 times better. And a little salt and pepper for our chicken. You can use any seasoning that you want to season your chicken, or you don't even have to season your chicken. It's whatever you would like. We have some thyme, parsley, chicken broth, and then some chicken breast. Now I should mention you can use some rotisserie chicken, you can use canned chicken. It's just whatever chicken that you like. I just use chicken breast when I make my chicken noodle soup. I just cut it up and then go ahead and cook it on the stove. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to season our chicken breast, and then we're going to go over to the stove and we're going to go ahead and cook the chicken breast. I like to cook mine ahead of time instead of in the soup itself, but if you would like to cook it in the soup itself, you can do that. This is just the way I have always made my chicken noodle soup recipe. So I have our salt and pepper in here, and I'm just going to go ahead and mix up the chicken breast. And as I mentioned earlier, you can use whatever seasoning that you like. Some people like paprika. It's just whatever you would like. Some people like a lot of seasoning, others do not. I find that a little salt and pepper, or not even any, this chicken noodle soup still has a lot of flavor. And I should mention that if you do have sickness in your house, you can add a little garlic and turmeric. I will put that down in the description below when I put the recipe. I sometimes add garlic and a little turmeric to ours. Alright, so I have my frying pan here. I'm just going to go ahead and add the chicken, and we're going to fully cook our chicken. Now if you're using rotisserie chicken or canned chicken, then you can just go ahead and skip this step. Alright, while the chicken is cooking, you're going to go ahead and take out a large pot like this one I have here. And I put about a couple tablespoons of butter in here. And we're going to go ahead and pour in the carrots, the onion, and our celery. And then we're just going to kind of saute these for a little bit just to help get them a little tender. When I make this chicken noodle soup, I usually do not measure anything. I just go ahead and add as many celery, carrots, and onion as I would like, and chicken, but I will include some measurements down below in the description with this recipe in case you would like some. You can add as many veggies as you want. You could even take some of them out if you don't like, say, celery. You don't have to add celery, or you don't like onion. You can just add more, either chicken or one of the vegetables that you like to make up for the ones you do not like. You're just going to saute this until your butter is melted. And here is what our veggies look like before we go ahead and add in the chicken broth. Once you have sauteed them for about 5 to 10 minutes and your butter is melted, you're going to go ahead and add in your chicken broth. I'm just going to go ahead and shake it up well. I am using 2 30-ounce containers of chicken broth. This soup will give you about 8 cups. Alright, now we're just going to go ahead and give this a little stir. And we're going to go ahead and bring this to a boil and simmer it for a while until our celery, carrots, and onions are nice and tender. And then we will add our egg noodles in. We want to make sure that those veggies are fully cooked. And when your chicken is cooked, you can go ahead and just set it to the side. We'll go ahead and add it in later. I'm going to go ahead and add in the parsley and thyme. And again, I will have some measurements down below, but I just kind of pour a little bit in. I don't really measure. You can add as much or as little seasoning as you want. You don't even have to put this in. And as I mentioned earlier, if you have sickness in your house, you can even add a little turmeric to it and garlic. I sometimes add garlic in anyway, but I'm not going to today. I'll put in a little parsley. And some thyme. And then give it another stir. And then we're just going to go ahead and boil this for a while. Once you have brought your soup to a boil and it's been boiling for a little bit, you're going to go ahead and add in the chicken. And the noodles. Now 1 package of these egg noodles is plenty, but we like noodles, so we add a package and a half. But like I said, 1 package is plenty. And then you're just going to go ahead and stir your soup up good and bring it back to a boil. And once your egg noodles are fully cooked, then your soup is all ready to go and eat. I will have this recipe down in the description with all of the details, and I'm also going to include a link to the recipes that I have made so far, and I am always adding new ones, so be sure to go ahead and click on the recipe link, and it'll take you over there. There's plenty of dinner recipes, pies, desserts. I have a little bit of everything over there. And also, if you're not subscribed, we invite you to subscribe and join our family. And if you haven't, be sure to click on that bell so you know exactly when a new video is posted. I want to thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.